Franklin.
Shopping like a lumberjack up in the gate. One plate, a rock on the table. Moving that flake, yeah, fiends start hitting my shit. Paranoid, he got the convoy all up in his crib. One nigga sick, fuck it, let's get this money. Got the razor clacking in my jean jacket. A little scale, some baggies and a mean ratchet. Now I start bagging away, fiends is coming, yo. Took off my shirt, murked that away. How many you want? Like 17. Shit is golden, daddy, play your part, little soldier. Better beaming now, he start blazing the place. Coke all on my skin, eyes is burning out, wiping my face. This shit's good, right? Best in the town. My little Dominican.
What you doing, son?
Nothing. Just chilling.
True.
Role model. I'll roll a model down a hill over broke bottles of Coke products if she don't and to the bumper, hit the throttle while I'm trying to hit the potholes. I'll freaking take Madonna to McDonald's.
In 1930, the Republican-controlled House of Representatives, in an effort to alleviate the effects of the, anyone? The Great Depression, passed the, anyone?
These nuts.
Tariff bill, the Hawley...
Really, nigga?
Is that Ace of Base?
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, wait. Ow! And boom goes the dynamite.
Shopping like a lumberjack up in the gate. One plate, a rock on the table. Moving that flake, yeah, fiends start hitting.